YouTube account. And after a while, you will see the stream here. It's still loading.
So this would be, to make sure I'm following you here, Mihai, this would be if you wanted to, if you wanted someone sort of a feed while at an event so that they could be pulling from what you're capturing in real time?
Yes, exactly. This is my computer. This is my office, and you can see me in real time. And
right.
Yeah, but sorry, but what does your software do now in this? I mean, you're live streaming a video now, right? And what does your software, your self-developed software do now?
The camera continues to record, continues to work at the normal parameters. You can continue to upload to our platform, and you can still generate videos from that the same footage.
So you can record on your platform and stream live at the same time?
Yes, yes. Right. And we can also take pictures if we need to. We can do a lot of things live if we have the bandwidth to do those things from the connectivity point of view.
Yeah, sure.
So this is something a lot of people have been asking, this live or close to live. I mean, our technology it's made to work in real time for ski. I mean, you go skiing and within a couple of minutes after you finish skiing, you already have your movie capture from all the cameras. So our systems are designed to work almost in real time. I mean, we're talking with professional events such as, I don't know, Tour de France kind of events where the broadcasting stuff can be used, and we could use our technology for that.
Yeah.
We have not applied it in the time sport market because, you're shooting an ant with an elephant rifle. You need proper infrastructure, so you need connectivity for each camera, which it is complicated to guarantee and to make a claim that you're going to have it. I mean, for events such as London Virgin Marathon or New York Marathon, the event organizers are happy to provide this kind of connectivity. But otherwise, it's not really worth it. And if you are high in the mountains with 4G connectivity, I find that unreliable. What I think is relevant is that what we have can be used to be live or almost live and broadcast this kind of stuff, which can be used not only to broadcast to the user, it can be used to broadcast, for example, at the screen, which is at the finish line, or that people can access via their mobile phone if there is a connection to see what's going on, to upload on Facebook. I mean, all those things are there. It's just a question of availability at events of infrastructure.
Yes.
So does this...
And this is a real request from Red Bull, for instance. We had an event which was called Red Bull Megawatt. I'm going to show you that, where that is an Enduro event, and the spectators cannot see the race, every place of the race. So they wanted to broadcast the images from our cameras to a screen at the finish line. We offered them that capability, but from that location, they were simply unable to transmit the stream from there to the finish line. This is why they haven't been able to do that, but they wanted it.
I think a lot of people underestimate the need for valuable connections and reliable connections.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when you have to guarantee that it will work, then it's a whole different story.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay. But then let's just say that you have different kind of cameras and there are no tie rewind. We have an upload interface for that because we need to group all the footage and the metadata into the cloud. We chose the cloud because, first of all, it's a flexible infrastructure that allows to pay for only what you consume without the need for an expensive data server. And in order to publish the footage from unstructured cameras to the cloud, we have developed an upload interface where, again, you need to select the destination location. You will see the cameras that are already defined at that location. You can add new ones. For instance, JVC, Vario JVC is a camera. It's a camcorder that can withstand the rain, and it's good for the implementation itself. So I'm basically being able to add a new camera. After that, I will simply select the footage that needs to be uploaded. And on the SD card, you will see a file structure that looks like this. The browser will decode that image. Then I'm going to load another small file which holds the timestamp of the recording for this footage, which is also available on the card. And now I can see the stream timestamp of the start, and I'm able to upload the footage by pressing this button. The upload itself is resumable, so if I lose the connection, that's not a problem. It will continue where it left off. And after I have done this from all the cameras, iRewind or other sources, I will be able to visually check the footage on the iRewind platform. Again, on the proper location. I will be able to see all the cameras, select either of them, see some footage, and understand the race. I need to understand the race in order to make an editing plan, because I need to decide how much footage will be taken from each camera and how they should be used in the final video. Okay, after I have done this, just a moment, I think I skipped a step. The footage itself is not enough to generate videos. I need to import the metadata. The metadata in this case is the registration data for the event combined with the timing data from the timing system. And usually, I just want